Okay, it's already been kind of a long day of a little bit more construction, but I thought I wanted to go ahead and give a little bit of an update as to where we are on our animal village. We needed to go ahead and get the rabbits done quickly because we need to get them moved. So normally we would build this whole thing at one time continuously, but we needed to go ahead and get this one done first. I showed you we poured the slab for it and everything, and now we have been working on getting the walls up, and we're about to put the roof up. We went in, I'm big on used stuff, saving some money on that, and we've used pallets on the side walls. They're not holding anything up, they're just kind of blocking the rabbits and the chickens and ducks and what have you from getting into there. We closed off the back with some excess wood that we had. And my husband and I came in here, you can see there, we framed out the front where the door will be, and then also where we'll be closing off the rest of it. Not fully closed, we're going to use wire. I want to be able to see in completely. But this is where we are. We're about to get up there and put the tent on the roof and get a little bit closer to moving the rabbits.
Thank you.
Mm-hmm.
Here, let's put you on the bridge to the way up. There you go.